Grab your foam roller because today we're going to get into your fascia. A little bit of TLC for your body today. Place the foam roller onto your ankles and gently rock your ankles from left to right. Notice how this feels in your body. Circle your feet in one direction. Go slowly. Breathe in and breathe out. Circle your feet in the opposite direction. And move the foam roller up a bit. Turn your feet from left to right a couple of times. And notice if you find any tension in your calves. Roll it up a bit higher, but not too high. You don't want to foam roll around the knee, above the knee, or underneath. Firmly press into your hands and gently roll from front to back. Remember, from ankle just to below your knee. You want to protect that area of your body. If you find any sore muscles or knots, feel free to hang out in that spot. Massage out your body. Adjust your yoga mat as needed. Can you recommend one that doesn't get those bubbles? I would love to find one. And then move that foam roller up your body to the top of your thighs. Remember, don't hit that knee joint. Breathe in and breathe out. You're getting a little bit of a workout today too. Not just some self-massage, but it takes a little bit of effort to firmly press up onto your hands and lift your body up onto the foam roller. Breathe in and breathe out. So how often do you foam roll? My goal is once a week. Sometimes, I don't know about you, I go in phases. Like sometimes it's daily, other times it's once a week. Then I'll miss for a whole month, and boy, I can feel it when I miss. Can you feel it when you miss? Do you dread foam rolling? Do you like it? Turn your feet into one another and notice how this feels differently on your thighs. Breathe in and breathe out. Sit up onto the foam roller. Adjust your yoga mat as needed. Roll out your glutes. Breathe in and breathe out. It's important to spend a little bit of time in each area to release your muscles. Roll out your knots. Pick up your left ankle and place it just above your right knee. Turn your left knee slightly towards your left and notice how this feels as you roll out the side of your glute. Breathe deeply. Release your leg and pick up your right ankle and place it just above your left knee. Slightly turn your right knee towards the right. Breathe in and breathe out. Draw your low belly in and up and focus your attention on the right here and the right now. Whatever you have waiting for you after today's foam rolling session will still be there. Place both feet on the ground and pay a little bit of extra attention towards your glutes. Make your way to hands and knees and place the top of your shins onto the foam roller. Firmly press into all four corners of the fingers and roll up and down from your ankles to right under your knee. I'm going to keep reminding you, don't hit that knee joint. It's important to me that you take care of your body. Draw your low belly in and up as you bring the knees closer to your navel. Move the foam roller up onto the top of your thighs. Come down onto your elbows and roll up and down. Breathe deeply. One breath with one movement. I encourage you to go slow. Focus your attention on the right here and the right now. All you have is this present moment. You're exactly where you need to be. The important thing is you paused, you stopped, and you made time for yourself. Move the foam roller towards your left and roll out the top of your left leg. Place a bend in your right knee, and trust me, you'll know when you feel it. Close your eyes, soften the muscles in your face, create space between the top and bottom rows of teeth, and then take the foam roller and move it hot dog ways. Pick up your left knee and place the foam roller on the inside of your left thigh. Roll towards the groin and out towards the knee, not to touch on that knee joint. Bring space to your left hip. Does this feel good in your body? Do you hold any tension in your hips? Breathe deeply. Find stillness. Rest your forehead onto the ground and take just a couple of moments as you notice your hip opens up. If you're finding any tingling sensation in your leg, gently bring space to your toes. Take the foam roller and move it towards your left side of the mat. Come up onto the foam roller and gently focus on the top of your thigh. Place a bend in your elbows, draw your navel point in and up, and you'll know when you roll it out. You can definitely feel it. Breathe deeply. On your next breath, pause, remove the foam roller and place it in a long position. Begin to roll from left to right the inside of your thigh. Remember, don't hit that knee. You want to protect the joint. Place a bend in your elbows. Draw your navel point in and up. Soften the muscles in your face. Notice that you're not clenching your jaw. And on your next breath, rest onto the floor. Turn your gaze to the right and feel the stretch. Take just a couple of moments for yourself. If you're feeling any tingling sensation, lift and spread the toes. Bring your focus back to right here. Return to hands and knees. Grab your foam roller. Sit onto your foam roller. Walk the feet forward and gently rock forward and back onto the glutes. Roll your shoulders down and back. Take your gaze forward. Try to slow it down. This isn't a race. This is the time to slow down, let your muscles release any tension. Pick up your right ankle and place it just above your left knee. Turn your knee towards your right. Roll out your glutes. Do you notice if one glute feels tighter than the other? Why do you think that is? Acknowledge it. Let it pass through you, but don't attach to it. Pick up your left ankle and place it just above your right knee. Turn your left knee towards the left. Roll onto your left glute. Notice as the muscle releases. So I must know, are you using a flat foam roller or a foam roller with the notches? At this time, I invite you to roll out any area that we didn't get to today. And leave a comment below on what area you chose to roll out that we didn't roll. I'm always looking for suggestions. Personally, I love rolling out my lower body. I don't know about you, but when I roll out my upper body, it's a little bit painful, which is probably my body signaling, hey, Casey, you need to pay a little bit more attention. But sometimes I have difficulty willing myself to do that. Am I the only one here that you have good intentions, but sometimes once you just get on the mat and you get some of it done, you're like, okay, that's good enough. I'm going to move along to the rest of my day. It happens. We're human. We're not air free. I know that's hard to believe. Okay, remove the foam roller, adjust your yoga mat, come to hands and knees, press the big toes together, separate the knees towards the wide edge of the mat, extend the arms forward, and take a stretch. Walk your hands towards the right side of the mat. Breathe deeply. And walk your hands towards the left edge of the mat. Press your right shoulder blade down. Just take a moment to stretch out your lower body before you move along to the rest of your day. And on your next breath, come to a comfortable seated position. Draw your hands to heart center. And always commend yourself for making time for you. If you want to stretch out a little bit more, then I invite you to keep watching. Have an awesome day. Bye.